What's up, family? It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you again. And today, we got something delicious. I mean tender. I mean moist. Herb garlic butter steak bites. Whew. All right, I have some homemade herb garlic butter I made up. I have some canola oil. I have some eye of round steaks. You can use whatever kind you like. I have some kosher salt, black pepper, and also some Worcestershire sauce. All right, let's go ahead and get our meat cut. And we want to make sure we're cutting against the grain. Let's go ahead and add our Worcestershire sauce. About a tablespoon of that. And let's go ahead and season these babies on down. There we go. We're hitting it with the kosher salt and pepper. Now we're just gonna take it and mix them. Just get it all in there, all mixed up. Our stove, let's set it to medium high heat. And we're gonna go ahead and start cooking these boys off. Steaks in there. As you can see, we have our beef tips in here, our steak bites, not beef tips. And this is what we're looking like right here. That's what we want. So we're just gonna get them turned over. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna let these cook a little bit more. This one, yeah, look at that. All right, our steak bites are what we need them to be. Let's go ahead and get our herb butter in there. Got that fresh garlic in there. We're gonna let the garlic toast off. Gonna baste it a little bit. And we're gonna have us some delicious, tender, moist herb butter garlic steak bites. And let's baste these boys a little bit. Just get it all on there. There we go. We can go ahead and turn off our heat. We don't want our butter to burn, so let's just turn off our heat and continue to do what we do. Get them boys back up there so we can get them all basted. Just like that. There we go. Delicious garlic butter steak bites. Yeah. All right, I know you're wondering, he got mashed potatoes on that plate. He didn't make no mashed potatoes in this video. I did not, but I can tell you what I will do and what I am going to do. I'm going to leave a link in the description. That way you can watch the video recipe of these creamy mashed potatoes. Going perfect with our garlic butter steak bites. Such, bam. Let's take a little of this butter we got left over. And let's just hit it with it. Oh, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Mm-hmm. In your face, baby. Yeah. Woo. That is A1 delicious, baby. Herb butter, garlic steak bites on a bed of mashed potatoes. Make sure you check the link in the description. I have the video recipe for the mashed potatoes. That boy can cook. Out the place. Till next time. I'm about to go eat, baby. Yeah.